In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and track sales goals in HubSpot. This process will help you maintain a clear and focused strategy for achieving your sales objectives. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step you want to take is to navigate to the HubSpot website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to access the trial guide specifically for Sales Hub Professional. This guide serves as a central hub for managing your sales tools and features in HubSpot, making it the perfect place to begin setting up your sales goals. Once you've made your way to the trial guide, you'll need to click on the Reporting section. Reporting is where you'll find all the necessary tools for tracking and analyzing your sales data, making it critical for goal management. Within the Reporting section, you'll notice an option labeled Goals. Click on it to proceed. This is the area where you can view and manage all of your existing sales goals, providing a comprehensive overview of your performance metrics. After that, it's time to create a new goal. Simply click on Create a Goal, which will allow you to set up specific objectives tailored to your business needs. Here, it's important to think about what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing revenue, closing more deals, or improving customer retention. Next, you'll select Category to define what type of goal you're setting. Categories can be anything from revenue targets to sales activities. This step is crucial because it helps in grouping goals with similar purposes, making it easier to track progress and make adjustments as needed. Following that, you'll click on Object, which is another essential component for defining your goal. The object usually refers to what you're measuring, such as the number of deals closed, calls made, or meetings held. Clearly identifying this helps you stay focused on what really matters for reaching your sales targets. Once the object is selected, you'll then set goal specifics, including the numeric target you aim to achieve. This is where you solidify exactly what you're working toward. It's often helpful to set challenging yet attainable goals to motivate your team. Moving on, clicking Template will allow you to choose from preset templates that might suit your goals. Templates offer a structured starting point, enabling you to quickly fill in the details without having to create a goal from scratch. Now you can add contributors. This step lets you include team members who will actively work toward achieving the goal. Assigning contributors promotes accountability and teamwork, enhancing your chances of success. Finally, you'll specify the duration of your goal. Click on this option to define the timeline over which you plan to achieve your goal. This could range from a month to an entire year, depending on the complexity and scope of what you're aiming for, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a sales goal in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can ensure that your sales team is aligned and working effectively toward common objectives. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your sales strategies.